to Short and Simple Online Tutorials. This is part of the Design Center training, and today we're going to be talking about custom names and custom numbers. These are personalized placeholders you add to your product that are going to be specific to each individual unit that's ordered. So really quick, I pulled up a black product here because I wanted to show you something a little bit special. If you do have a black product, the default ink color is black for any added text, art, or placeholders. And if you have a black product, our Design Center will know that, and it will change that default ink color to white. So to add a custom name, actually let's add it to the back here. To the back, let's say we're doing a uniform here. We can zoom out a little bit. The name, add name placeholder buttons here. You just click it. Some information will come up with a description of what you're actually doing here. You can click this link to link to this tutorial page, and if we just click OK, you'll see this added a white name placeholder. Now you can't edit the text over here because this is just a placeholder. When people go to order this off of your custom online order page, or if you are using the simple shopping cart, either they or you will be asked to specify the personalizations for each product at that time, and I'll show you that in a second. Same way, I'm going to add a number placeholder. Same thing here. Alright, so I got my name and number, and really the purpose of this is so that you can show our artists kind of the size, the placement, the color, and even the text, the font that you want for these placeholders. So let's say you wanted the numbers over here for some reason, or you wanted the numbers above the name. You can manipulate these so that our art team knows when printing the shirts how these names and numbers are supposed to be placed on your shirt or whatever your product is. You'll notice that that the extras went up. This is determined by the location. The price for adding custom names and custom numbers is different per location, and you can add multiple names and multiple number placeholders to each screen or to any product. So to delete them, you just delete the layer. You can also change the color. You'll notice custom name properties come up when you have that selected, or if you have a custom number layer, properties for that come up. The name and number can both be changed. Let's say we wanted to change this to an orange font. Unlike the add text and add art features, where the text and the images are consistent for every product in the order, the customized names and customized numbers placeholders are personalized for each unit in the order, and therefore the colors of these things do not affect the base price of the product. Whereas if you had a specific name that was consistent on every product that was in orange, and a specific number that was consistent on every product that was in cream, that would be considered two unique ink colors. In the case of personalized names and personalized numbers placeholders, the color of the ink does not affect the price. To change the size, same thing. You can use the handlebars here, or you can use these controls. You can also rotate them if you feel like having rotated names. Same controls pretty much as the text controls here. The arc feature is available too. You just got to place it in there a little differently if you wanted an arced name. Definitely some restrictions on how many characters are available. I think it says that in the text here, but usually people can only add characters of about 13 different characters for a name to fit on here. Obviously you can make it smaller if you've got some larger, longer names. You can put a smaller text, but we'll automatically do that in order to fit the names on there if someone enters something that's really long. So you can also change the font. Keep in mind that some of the fonts aren't available, and we will choose the one that best fits or most closely resembles the font that you pick. But for instance, if you pick this font and we didn't have custom names available for that font, we'd choose the font that was very similar for you. So if you have any concerns with your custom name or custom number placeholder or how they're going to look on your product, please use this attach notes feature to let our art team know any additional information, any questions you have, any specifics. This is just a great area to kind of be a catch-all. So if there's something that you want extra, or something that you want us to know, just put it here and then just click continue when you're done. That is designing the custom name and custom number placeholders. Now let me show you really fast. When people go to checkout, let's say we had used a simple shopping cart. and we're paying for all these orders at once. So here we go. I just created this ahead of time. Let's say we wanted 5 smalls, 5 mediums, and 6 larges. Click next, and now we'll be taken to a special step where we are asked to put the customizations in for those. Since we had one custom name, one custom number on there, we'll have to go through each one of these and say that's the custom name, that's the custom number for this product, that's the custom name, that's the custom number for that product, that's the custom name, and so forth. If you added 2 custom names and 2 custom numbers placeholders, like let's say we had a custom name and a custom number on the sleeve, just separate them by a comma if they're going to be different, and then make sure you let our design team know which one is for which. But those are only special circumstances, and you should probably contact us if you have added multiple placeholders to a product, just so there's no confusion. But if you have set up a personalized order page with us, it's very simple. When people are going to check out after they've selected their size, they'll be asked for either their custom name or custom order. In this example, the design had only called for a custom name, so I could put my custom name there and then move on to the next page. If you have set up a custom order page with us, after your order page expires, you can log back into your account and you can click the report button that's next to your event. And if you click the report button, if you've added custom names or custom numbers, those will show up so that you can hand people their correct product, because these are the custom names that these people have put in per size. So very simple, very easy, and the Design Center is really set up so that you can kind of specify the style that you'd like, kind of these placeholders, so our team knows how you'd like your product. So that is custom names and custom numbers, and thanks for completing this tutorial.